TechMunus. Hi, myself Purvi Yadav. I am TechMunus's career counselor. Today I am going to go over a few details of the SAP EWM training course. We will cover fundamental to advanced levels of instruction in this SAP EWM training. It is also feasible if you are solely interested in advanced or fundamental training. We provide total customization of the training program for everyone. Therefore, whether you are an individual or a company, we will modify the training agenda to meet your needs or the needs of your project before delivering the training to you. Here is the agenda for what the trainer is going to cover in this SAP EWM training video. What is meant by SAP EWM? That is the video's introduction, its features, its course content, its certifications, the necessary prerequisites, why one should choose TechMunus as a trainer, what jobs are available for SAP EWM, TechMunus's introduction, benefits of both corporate and individual training, conclusion, and finally how to contact us or enroll with us for the SAP EWM training purpose. Next, what is called SAP EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, that is EWM, is an SAP module that offers flexible automated support for processing your various goods movements and for managing stocks in your warehouse complex, including your warehouses. EWM, it gives you the option of mapping your entire warehouse complex in detail across all systems down to the storage bin level. With EWM, you can optimize the use of multiple storage bins and stock movements for your own needs. Now we have the basic features of SAP EWM. You can see. So the features are, I'm going to read for you guys. First, SAP environmental health and safety regulations apply to the handling, processing and transportation of hazardous products under SAP EWM. Next, the organization may manage its warehouses more effectively by using critical resource management activities because of SAP EWM's improved runtime and resource planning capabilities. Important warehouse data may be visually shown using SAP EWM, and the operation can be evaluated or followed up on in accordance with the predetermined lines. Before arriving at their final destination in the warehouse, transport units can be moved through cross-docking in SAP EWM from several distribution centers or warehouses. It may deconsolidate processing units with diverse staff within them till we put them in distinct storage spaces. Before products are accepted by the ERP system, organizations can create alarms for altered data in SAP EWM. SAP EWM automatically optimizes the product storage configuration in the warehouse by evaluating warehouse ideas through placement. Now, next we have the course content. Let's have a look. About the course content, the trainer has listed a few topics for you that he or she is going to cover. So, here are the topics for you. Let me read out. Warehousing structures and master data. Then basic processes in SAP EWM. Warehouse monitoring and processing with mobile devices, warehouse organization, optimization of resources, warehouse extensions, combined inbound and outbound processes, the extended warehouse management system environment, integration, structural elements and master data, warehouse process types, goods receipt, goods issue, storage control, warehouse order creation, posting changes, stock transfers and replenishment, physical inventory, slotting, post processing framework, PPF, which is at the last. Next we have the certification. So what are the benefits of it? Upon completing the SAP EWM training, candidates can easily appear for the SAP EWM certification exam. SAP EWM certified professionals can apply for better designations across the globe. SAP EWM training certification programs provide pathways to focused knowledge and capabilities. The certification test, that is SAP Certified Application Associate Extended Warehouse Management with SAP S/4HANA, certifies that the applicant possesses the fundamental and core expertise in the field of extended warehouse management necessary for the consultant profile. This certification demonstrates that the applicant has a thorough comprehension of the material and is capable of applying it realistically to projects in order to support the success of the planning and implementation stages in a mentoring capacity. It is not necessary to have prior project experience to pass this test. The private edition of SAP S/4HANA Cloud and SAP S/4HANA on-premise are both compatible with this certification test. So, here are the details of the prerequisites, that is, who all are eligible to take part in the SAP EWM learning session. You should have a thorough grasp of the following before beginning to study SAP EWM. That is SAP ERP, inventory control, warehouse administration, basic familiarity with programming. Knowledge of supply management principles is also advantageous to have knowledge of other SAP modules like MM, PP and SD. Before attempting to master SAP EWM, it is also advised to have some prior job experience in supply chain management or warehouse management. Next, what are the job opportunities available for SAP EWM across the globe? In my opinion, Naukri is the best platform if you are looking for a job in India. Let's examine the Naukri website. I have already opened it for you. I can see that currently there are 263 job vacancies available in India. Among these, the topmost location is Bangalore, then Noida, you can see Mumbai, Hyderabad and many more are there. Now let's talk about the salary packages. They are offering. I can see 216 who are ready to pay between 10 to 15 lakhs. Then 186 who are ready to pay 6 to 10 lakhs, and there are many more which you can see. Now let's check out which firms are recruiting for SAP EWM in India. Accenture being at the top, where there are 100 job vacancies. Then Pepsi Foods, Infosys, SAP, and several more significant companies are hiring for SAP EWM. Now, DICE is the best site if you are seeking job vacancies around the USA. Let's have a look. Currently, you can see there are 262 job vacancies available for SAP EWM on DICE. And if anyone is looking for a job worldwide, then you can go for LinkedIn, which is the best platform to look for a job across the globe. You can see. So now, moving on to the next slide. Why one should choose TechMonus Training Institution? TechMonus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company TechMonus, we are one of the top technologies training companies in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe and various parts of UAE. TechMonus has successfully conducted more than 1000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel and Singapore, or say any country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. So these are the names of the top clients, as you can see, for whom we have already provided SAP EWM training in India as well as outside of India. So let's look into the next slide. We have what are the corporate training benefits of SAP EWM from TechMonus. Customization of course content can be done as the company's project requirements. We do provide implementation and configuration levels of SAP EWM training. TechMonus corporate training program helps employees to start working on projects from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose the location, training mode and your preferred schedule. We will provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits of TechMonus? So the benefits are customized training for individuals is our main USP. Industry specific subject matter experts trainer for individual projects. Flexibility to select a trainer and have a live demo session with a trainer before the start of the SAP EWM training. Each candidate will easily get to know the SAP EWM certification exam process in detail. So, on concluding today's session, I can say that organizations may regulate warehouse tasks including gathering, documenting and maintaining warehouse bins and product receipts with the use of the SAP EWM system. According to SAP Environmental Health and Safety Regulations, SAP EWM addresses the handling, processing and transportation of unsafe goods. Arranging one-to-one customized training for individuals is our main USP. TechMonus is best for customization, implementation and configuration levels of SAP EWM training. Now, for any further information or if you want to enroll with us for the SAP EWM training session, you can reach us through the numbers given here. Please note it down, all the contact numbers. We are even reachable on WhatsApp in the numbers mentioned here, and one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@techmonus.com, and one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. Also, you can drop a message in our live chat box here and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for excellent career growth in SAP EWM, do join us now. I hope you will love and enjoy the full SAP EWM training session with TechMonus. Our key responsibility is to ensure candidate satisfaction. Thank you.